I am often asked what it is that I eat, and admittingly, like, my goals are different, my physiology is different. I may even be a different, I may be a different gender than the person asking me. So it's important to understand that what I eat is going to be a little bit different. More so in terms of the amounts rather than the things, because regardless of the goal, I pretty much want a client eating a lean protein, a vegetable, a complex carbohydrate, and a healthy fat with most, if not all, meals. So giving that caveat or prefacing what I'm about to say, for breakfast, I'm a huge fan of some sort of egg dish, whether that's prepare them however you like, but kind of my standard meal is an egg scramble with at least spinach, sometimes onion, sometimes mushroom, sometimes peppers, but pretty much always eggs and spinach to go along with that, cooked in either an extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. And then I'll side that with either a bowl of old-fashioned oats, sometimes steel-cut oats, which the prep time takes a little bit longer on that, so often I'll lean toward the old-fashioned oats, with some nut butter, maybe some fruit in there as well. And then, or if I'm not doing the oatmeal, I might do a couple pieces of whole grain toast with a natural nut butter, typically peanut butter, on that for breakfast. In terms of lunch, it's almost always a salad loaded with other vegetables and nuts and seeds, and then a dressing that I make myself with some sort of vinegar, typically apple cider vinegar, and then an oil, again, extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. Those are my two favorite to make dressings with. And then I do a lot of rotisserie chicken, and I don't cook it because I think there are a few items that are closer to the cost in terms of price and time. Picking up a rotisserie chicken at the beginning of the week and then just working off of that throughout the week. So that's what my lunch looks like a lot of times. And then I do 4 meals a day. So meal 3 is either a super shake, which consists of a protein powder, flavored protein powder. I love chocolate, but I also do a lot of vanilla. In that, I'll throw, again, spinach, maybe kale if I've got that on hand, but a lot of times spinach is awesome because it's odorless and tasteless, certainly not colorless. It'll make everything look weird. But so I've got my protein powder, spinach. I'll throw in a fruit. Typically for me, it's a banana. I might do apple. I'll certainly do some berries in there. And then a healthy fat. Again, it might be raw almonds, walnuts, or nut butter. I lean into a lot. We go through mini jars of peanut butter at home. Or I love doing cottage cheese with pineapple chunks and walnuts. Like, to me, that's very dessert-ish as well, but it's a super healthy meal. Notice it doesn't contain the veg, but it certainly has the other 3 things I'm looking for. And then for dinner, big fan of, again, just what's a meat that we can do, a lean meat, a veg, and then a complex carbohydrate.